2 Pentair Clean and Clear Plus 520 filters to take care of this gorgeous pool. We got a lot of work to do, so stay tuned. Here we come.
So they stubbed out the gas line on this job. Obviously we're doing a redo, so this is the inlet for the main filter pump. It was touching the old pump, so I'm trying to reconfigure how I'm going to do everything and set the equipment. Originally the heater was over here. The filter's going to go right there. Yep. Heater's got to go over here. And then probably bring the gas lines this way. And then redo the plumbing. Yeah, I like that. I like it as a backup. Because the gas line's right there. I don't have much of an option. Cut down here and do 45s, and then another 45, and that should bring me over to where I got a direct shot into the inlet. And I'll get it a little bit closer to the filter and away from the gas line. And we'll drop the filter there. Could, in theory, bring the heater what it is.
Quite a lineup. Guessing plumbing today, automation tomorrow?
Yep. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. And then I know where everything's gonna go. I might try to run all the whips today too. We'll see exactly, but I'd like to get it hard plumbed in so everything's in the solid spot. So then I know where I'm running my communication wires to and everything like that. So I might end up changing my mind on the pump and filter when I get down to that, or the filter and heater when I get down to that side. I'm gonna look and see if I can go any other way, but like I said, I think that's the only way.
And just like that, the equipment is set. 7 pumps, 2 filters, 1 heater.
Wrap up the plumbing. I will be adjusting that clamp bolt. Won't leave it like that for the first filter cleaner.
Just the heater for plumbing.
That's it. Well, then I gotta plumb the gas line.
But the PVC plumbing.
Exactly.
Do you know how many feet of PVC we've gone through at this point?
40 feet, 25 90s, well, probably about 30 now. Crazy.
Yeah. A lot of pipe.
But we went ground up on most of this, so I mean, to be expected.